Hey, I'm Hin, and welcome to my channel. Normally the first thing I do in the morning is feed my fish. I doesn't just feed them fish pellet. And I also feed them green water as well. Green water are green because it contains a lot of microalgae in it. I'm using the green water as a food source for my shrimp. Then I'm using back the waste from the tank to provide nutrients for the green water. See the cycle connection between my fish tank and the green water. After some time, there's even little creature culturing in it, which I can also use to feed my baby fish as well. So today I'll be showing ways how I made my own green water. First, you need to find yourself a container. The bigger the better. And here I'm using another boba teacup as a container. Then I get some water from my goldfish tank and watch a dirty filter sponge in it. This waste can act as a nutrients provide for the algae growth. Here is my main source of green water. It's not necessary to add in gravel, but I'm adding some because I just have plenty of it. Then place your container in somewhere bright but not direct contact with the sunlight. I'm living in Malaysia and the temperature is never too cold, so I'm doing it outdoor. You can place it indoor if you want, but make sure to check on the temperature. You can also add in some snail to constantly providing waste. Since I already have some established green water, I'm just going to take it from here. You can also get some easy green water from your nearby lake. And now just take it back to my room. And that's the third time we did before. I'm planning on redo it again. And you're basically done with your green water. All you need is just change water from your fish tank and sunlight. Then you just need to be patient and wait for the result. And that's the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section, did this video help you out? If you would like to see more similar content, do subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching.